Hi, how are you children? I hope everyone are fine. So now coming to the point, today in this video, we are going to see an assignment on human environment, tropical and subtropical region. Now let us take first question here. Why is Renuka excited? So in your textbook, one information given this about this Renuka. So why Renuka is excited is because her wildlife photographer uncle coming back home and he introduced to her some books which is having epics of distant lands and people. So that is why she is very excited. Okay children, so that is what answer here. So first question answer is because her wildlife photographer uncle coming back home and he introduced some books. So what kind of books children? So which contains having some different type of lands, okay, people, okay. So that's why she is very excited. Okay, clear children? Now let us take second question here. From where does the Amazon flows? So Amazon situated very near to the equator. So between 10 degrees north and 10 degrees south latitude. So the second question answer is 10 degrees north to 10 degrees south, which is very near to equator zone. Equator zone, even it's a tropical zone also here. Now let's take third question. What do you mean by a river mouth? The answer is river mouth means the place where a river flows into another water body. The place where a river flows into another water body is called as river mouth. So third question answer is the place where a river enter into another water body is called as river mouth. Okay children, now let's take fourth question here. How do the people look different in different parts of the world? See, people looks different in different areas. So in what aspect we can see, like their food habits will change, so will be different, and their cloth, that means dressing sense, their culture, so traditions, so all looks different in different parts of the world. So fourth question answer is how they looks based on the food habits, clothes, and culture, traditions, etc. Okay children, clear? Now let's take one more question. Now let's take fourth question children. How do the people, fifth question. Why is the river Amazon refers to as equator region? The answer is, just now I said Amazon river situated very near to, that means very close to equator. So that's why it's called as equator region, or river Amazon refers to as a equator region. Okay. Fifth question answer is why? Because it's very close to equator. Okay children, it's very close to equator. Now let's take sixth question here. How is the Amazon basin formed? See, Amazon river basin formed due to different tributaries. So numerous tributaries join the Amazon river. So that's why Amazon basin formed. So sixth question answer is numerous tributaries joined to Amazon river. So that's why Amazon basin formed. Okay, children. So numerous tributaries join the Amazon river. Now let's take seventh question, children. Name the cities which are closely associated with the Amazon basin. The answer is Brazil, parts of Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia, and parts of Venezuela. So seventh question answer is Brazil, parts of Peru, Bolivia, next Colombia, okay, then Ecuador, and parts of Venezuela. Now let's take eighth question, children. Name the continent in which Amazon basin located. The answer is South America. So eighth question answer is South America. Now let's take last question, ninth question here. Name the countries of the basin through which the equator passes. The answer is Brazil, Ecuador, and Colombia. So ninth question answer is Brazil, Ecuador, and Colombia. Okay, children. So these are 9 question answers. I hope you are very clear with these answers. Thank you so much, children. Now signing off.